that a person accused awaiting trial has a right to be released on bond bail on reasonable conditions. Article 49 is how reasonable the terms can be. The bail and bond terms policy guidelines provides a guide to the courts when exercising this important discretion to take into consideration certain factors, and this include the interest of justice. The integrity of the justice system must be balanced with the accused person's right to liberty. Is she a flight risk? What are the charges? What message does it send to the public to jump bail and escape the trial? The guidelines also guide us to consider the interests of the victim. Under the Victims Protection Act, the victim has a right to be heard. It is against the liberty of an accused. I've had submissions referred against the accused. In particular, the court is being asked to look at the relationship between the accused and the complainant prior to the alleged offense, the fallout resulting into numerous civil suits, the failed attempts at mediation with the complainant threatening to institute criminal proceedings against the accused by 1st of April 2023. The court is being asked to give lenient terms. It has reviewed the file and made a decision to charge that the terms should take into consideration the seriousness of the offense, and the accused be directed to stop sending threatening messages to the complainant. Mr. Mwamba for the complainant submitted that the terms should reflect the status of the accused as a person of means, and considering the seriousness of the offense. It was submitted that she is a commercial director at Capital FM, that her passport should be deposited in court, and as she is a flight risk, she should also be restrained from any contact with the complainant and witnesses. The court was asked to consider that the complainant has sought justice for a long time. It took 2 years, but still remained elusive, that having the accused. All considered, underlying circumstances, relationship between the parties before commission of the alleged offense have not been denied. These are a husband and wife who have fallen out with one another. It's also not denied by the complainant that attempts have been made at reconciliation, and these charges followed soon after this failed. It has not been demonstrated that the accused is a flight risk. There is no evidence that she attempted to escape jurisdiction in the period between the dates of the alleged offense, that is 2019, and then issued threats. The court cannot stand in the way of parties who want a reconciliation, so we'll leave the doors open for reconciliation. We cannot say that they should not contact the complainant. I'll order that she be released on bond of Kenya shillings 300,000 plus one such surety, or a cash bail of 100,000 shillings plus 2 contact persons. For accused.